Hey everyone, Becca Barron here with Cruise Planners, and I'm currently on board a 3-night sailing on the MSC Magnifica, and I just want to take a few quick minutes to talk about the entertainment that we've had on board the ship this weekend. To be honest, it's been kind of lacking. There hasn't been a lot to do. They've had like different games out on the deck and some things like that, but really during the day at sea, there just hasn't been that much. This whole trip has been sea days. It's been a cruise to nowhere because the winds have been too bad for us to be able to dock. And so yeah, I've spent a lot of time just chilling. But now I will say the shows have been really, really good. All three of them. We did Cameo, which was like the greatest show tunes of songs, and then did the Circus Story, which was amazing. It is, out of all the cruises, probably the best cruise ship show I have seen. It even tops Royal Caribbean's Broadway shows and Ice Show. So that was really good. And then today was a like rock show, and it was also really good. But after seeing the Circus the night before, the rock one was kind of your typical cruise ship show. But they were all really good, better than most cruise lines actually. The effects and things were really great and entertaining, and they sang songs that everybody knew, so the audience was getting involved. So that's a big plus for MSC. Their shows, even my last sailing, were really, really good. More so than a lot of the other cruise lines that I have sailed on. But other than that, like this is Super Bowl weekend, so they also are having a big tailgating party right now on the deck. I went to that for a little bit, and it was pretty fun. It's just dancing and your typical deck party. And then tonight they will be showing the Super Bowl in the big Royal Theater and the sports bar, and they're going to do a big pregame show, and they're going to do a halftime show and all of that. So I may check that out tonight to see how it is. But beyond that, I'm trying to think what other shows. I went to the Love and Marriage show. That was pretty funny. And this one was actually a little more PG than a lot of the other cruise lines' Love and Marriage shows. So that was good. It was one that was actually probably fairly appropriate for kids, whereas the other ones that I've been on other lines really are not very kid friendly. So but yeah, overall, I mean, it's been a good cruise. I've been bored some just because it is a small ship. There's just not a lot to do. But beyond that, the shows that they have done have been really good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.